Ajraman, please come. For a speech, sorry, for a speech, please come on stage.
Honorable Director, respected teacher, and my dear Henwelsians, a very good evening to one in all. Assalamu alaikum. This is your sister Ajamalla from Konshkalat to express my thought and feeling about the dark topic. New vision in idea of lead, new vision in idea. We are lit like a torchbearer carrying a torch to find our faith in darkness. It makes things easy for us to achieve what we dream. New vision is a vision for restless, it hope for hopeless, it aim for harmless. It is direction for those students who lost on the way. Dear followers, new vision does not only teach us language, it boosts us toward goal. New vision that I know in the eyes of my brain in light of my eye. Dear listener, new vision is knocking our door. If we don't bring change this time, then the wind of remorse is waiting for us. It is hard to have an institute like New Vision backward area wherever we are living. Dear followers, what I can suggest to have a good attitude, New Vision, then you will be attuned with knowledge and information. Thanks for listening.
So okay, we now move ahead. So now I would like to call Parad Ajaz and Omer Para's song. So please come on stage.
New Vision में रजून जाई वानगे, New Vision में रजून जाई वानगे, राशुन इल्मदूती अज़ानगे, राशुन इल्मदूती अज़ानगे, New Vision उस्तानी उम्मीद दरी, New Vision उस्तानी उम्मीद दरी, New Vision नू तई मनी लूगा सरी. New Vision nu tai mani luga sari, New Vision asti orae rabari, New Vision asti orae rabari, New Vision drach ki obanda te bari, New Vision drach ki obanda te bari, New Vision mein rajun jai wanage, New Vision mein rajun jai wanage, rashun ilmadusti azanage, rashun ilmadusti azanage.